Welcome to your Destined Dynamics School Leadership 5-Minute Reset. Before we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable position. Allow your shoulders to soften, your hands to rest gently, and if it feels comfortable, close your eyes. Today is not about the emails waiting for you, not about tomorrow's meetings, not about the challenges still needing solutions. For these next few moments, this time is simply for you. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, 2, 3, 4, and gently exhale through your nose, 2, 3, 4. Again, breathing in a golden glitter of calm, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out everything you've been carrying, 2, 3, 4. With each breath, imagine the weight of responsibility becoming just a little lighter. Allow yourself to simply be. Now, silently listen to these words. To the school leader who carries so much. Before the first bell softly rings, you've already carried 1,000 things, 100 decisions, hearts to mend, a steady hand on which others depend. You calm the storms no one can see, creating the school your children need. You lift your staff, inspire and guide, though sometimes you set yourself aside. Today this moment belongs to you. To breathe, to pause, to simply renew. Because the strongest leaders always know that from a regulated heart, the greatest schools will grow. May you leave lighter than where you came, with peace that outlasts praise or acclaim. For every child whose life you've touched, thank you, because your work matters so much. Take another slow, nourishing breath. Feel your heartbeat. Notice that despite every challenge you faced, you are still here. Still leading, still caring, still making a difference. Imagine your nervous system settling like a calm lake after the wind has passed. Your breath becomes your anchor. Your heart becomes your compass. Your presence becomes your greatest leadership tool. Remember, the calm you create within yourself becomes the calm your staff experiences. The safety you cultivate within becomes the safety your students feel. The compassion you offer yourself becomes the compassion that flows throughout your entire school community. You do not have to carry everything alone. You do not have to earn rest. You do not have to sacrifice your well-being to be an extraordinary leader. Your wellness is not separate from your leadership. It is your leadership. Take one final deep breath in, 2, 3, 4, and slowly breathe out gratitude for yourself, 2, 3, 4. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, roll your shoulders, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you as you continue leading your family, your school, and your community with wisdom, courage, and compassion. Thank you for joining me for this Destined Dynamics Reset Meditation. If this message resonated with you, I invite you to explore more of my coaching, meditations, and healing tools designed to help you rewire love, legacy, and leadership from the inside out. Please like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who may need this message today. And please consider buying me a cup of coffee or tea at the link below so we may sip and grow together. Until next time, protect your peace, honor your heart, and remember, your healing changes generations.